So the health department is actually composed of a number of different units. We focus in on various aspects, but our main focus is to understand what's happening within various communities, try to figure out how to change or improve that or stop that. And so we work on trying to reduce your risk to having health impacts from whatever is happening. And so we have put out a lot of guidance, especially related to the fires. When dealing with wildfire smoke, really it's a question about risk and how to reduce your risk. As we talk about Santa Ana winds, wildfires add another layer of pollution into the air. Now, of course, the risk is going to be closer you are to a fire, the closer you are going to be to smoke and being exposed to that. And the further you go out, it'll dissipate or reduce, but it still could have some impact. And if we think about Los Angeles County, generally our air quality is bad just because we have so many cars and so many people. And so adding a little bit of smoke may be significant for somebody. And so we really want people to try to reduce their risk of having any health impacts from that. A lot of times it's recommending wearing an N95 to prevent those particles from the smoke getting deep into your lungs. We really want people to not be outside doing heavy exercise because it's going to cause some problems with breathing, but also closing your windows and doors so that smoke doesn't get into your house. And if you have an air conditioning, like a central air conditioning, try to put that on recirculate. And definitely don't use an air conditioning that's in the window that pulls outdoor in, because that's just going to cause more problems inside the house. Those most at risk from smoke inhalation or from smoke exposure to smoke are going to be the same folks that we typically worry about when we're talking about respiratory illnesses. So those with underlying health conditions, those who are children, they're younger, smaller lungs, more likely to be impacted than an adult with larger lungs. People who are pregnant as well, and of course those who are older, just because their systems don't handle as much stress as ours when we're younger. One of the things people can do is if they really are feeling, that that's too much, it's a lot, they need some immediate help, they can text 741-741 and text the letters LA to that. That connects to our Department of Mental Health and service providers that can provide some immediate assistance. They can also call 800-854-7771.